Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Wi-Fi and sound icon missing issue in Windows 11. If your network icon and volume icon are not showing on the taskbar, don't worry. This problem can be fixed in just 1 minute using a very simple method. Let's get started. First, right-click on the taskbar. From there, open Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, go to the search bar at the top and type Explorer. You will see Windows Explorer appear in the list. Now, right-click on Windows Explorer. Then click on Restart. After clicking Restart, Windows Explorer will restart automatically. Once it restarts, you will see that the Wi-Fi and sound icons are restored and the network and volume icons are now showing again on the taskbar. That's it. This is the fastest way to fix the Wi-Fi and sound icon missing problem in Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Windows 11 troubleshooting solutions. Thanks for watching.